Hello everybody, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. How hot the weather is. What hot weather it is. How interestingly you're listening to me. Do you know what kind of sentences I used? I use exclamatory sentences. What does an exclamatory sentence mean? An exclamatory sentence is a statement which expresses our feelings, emotions. When we want to show our feelings, our joy, sorrow, fear, we use an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence begins with what or how and usually ends with an exclamation mark. The structure of an exclamatory sentence is what plus noun, what plus adjective plus noun, how plus adjective, how plus adverb. What a liar she is. What a cute baby she is. How beautiful you are. How beautifully you are dancing. What a crime it is. How doubtful the crime is. What a doubtful crime it is. We can also form an exclamatory sentence with interjections like ouch, hey, wow. We can use interjections in front of the sentence. Wow, how fast she's speaking English. What a clever person you are! How clever you are! How cleverly you are thinking! Did you pay attention? I said how clever you are and how cleverly you're thinking. How sad she looks! How sadly she is looking at me. Did you pay attention? I used an adjective in the first sentence, but an adverb in the second one. Do you know the reason? The reason is look and look at, because a look doesn't express an action. It expresses a situation. But look at expresses an action. How boastful she looks. How boastfully she's looking at me. There are some verbs which don't express an action. For example, to be, to become, to taste, to sound, to appear, to seem, to look, and so on. How happy you sound. How salty the soup is. How do you express your feelings, your emotions? Write some exclamatory sentences in the comments and let me know. See you next time. Take care.